If you have one of these fantastic headphones, I'll show you how easy it is to pair them with your device. If this is the first time you have them powered on, they will automatically go into pairing mode. Then you can pair them just like any other Bluetooth device in your Bluetooth settings. When your headphones are in pairing mode, you will get a fast pair notification if you have a device running Android 6.0 or higher. And if you have a Windows 10 or higher device, you will get a swift pair notification. To manually put them into pairing mode, or if you want to pair them to a second device, simply press and hold the power button for about 5 seconds. The headphones will go into pairing mode and you can find them on your device. If you're having trouble, make sure Bluetooth is turned on the device you're trying to connect to. If it asks you for a passkey, just enter 0000. And if you followed all these steps with no luck, just power restart that device and try again. If that doesn't work, you can factory reset the headphones by pressing the power and noise canceling button for about 7 seconds. This will erase all pairing information from the headset, and you can try to pair them again. Just turn them on and press and hold the power button for about 5 seconds. Drop any additional questions in the comments, and thanks for watching.